Hi everybody and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. Well, we are in the last week of August. Can you believe it? We are talking now really around the corner for September. And as you know, with choice for the GlamBag, the date always changes around. We have confirmation that the date now is confirmed for the 26th of this month of August, where we get to make that one choice item for our bag. And then our bag will be revealed for us on the first of the month, where we get to put our add-ons in it. Choice for the extra will happen on the first, and then we'll go into the add-ons after. As you know, I do my best to film as a paying customer choice days, as well as if we have spoilers. I've already shared with you, I think, as many spoilers as they're going to release and that I've been able to find. We still have not gotten any confirmation at all. This will be the second month in a row about the beauty boost. So if you know anything differently, remember this channel is about sharing information with each other. That's what our comment section is. We call it the water cooler. So I do my best to have a platform that we're able to do a little bit more research on the products that get revealed. So when it comes time for us to make our choices as paying customers, we are a little bit more informed, and hopefully it makes choice day a little bit easier. So we've done a lot of the work already. Now they've just released 3 that are going to be confirmed for choice. 2 of them are full size and 1 is going to be that deluxe sample size. And that's what we're going to be going through in today's video. So if you're looking for a channel that really dug in a little bit deeper about the brands, the products, of always sharing about the deals, be it if it's here through the subscription box world or in the retail world, which I already have up on my channel, a really long, in-depth video with mini reviews of products I've had the opportunity to use for Ulta's 21 days that are coming up. I always want to make sure to share that with you from a paying person's point of view. All right. So if that sounds great to you, I hope that you want to be part of the growth of this channel, because here we also, as I've mentioned, share spoilers on the boxes that I pay for, even when I get PR from those companies, because as a paying customer, we have options like this, like choice. And then I always tell you that with the subscription box world, it's more than the fantastic monthly boxes that we get. It is the opportunities through their deals and their shops that really make having a paying subscription to these companies, to me, makes it something that I would never want to give up on. And with PR, it is never a given. So you always want to make sure that if this is something, for me personally, that I choose to have a channel for, it's because I'm enjoying it as a paying customer. I want to make sure that others that have that same, that they're spending the dollars, hopefully we can make our decisions a little bit easier. But as I say all the time, I'm only one person. So if you have any opportunity to have tried any of the products we're going to go through in today's video, then please make sure to share it in the comments down below. Like I said, that's our water cooler, where you guys take the time to share there. And I also take the time to read and respond to everyone that takes that time, because I learn from you as much as you learn from me. You want to be part of our community here at Truewants. It's free. It's easy. You simply have to hit that subscribe button you see right underneath this video, and you're in. It really is that simple. You enjoy the content, thumbs up, and of course, that new hype feature that if you have access to it and you want to push this video out so others can join our community for free, I welcome it here. I just ask that you share in the comments that you did. All right, so let me pause the video here. I'm going to pull up the pictures that IPSY has released, so telling us that what sizes they're going to be. But of course, I did my work behind the scenes to learn a little bit more about each of these products. And when we get to it, I'll explain to you why I always do this, because I love that IPSY does give us a small snapshot of a description, but I always want to know a little bit more. And hopefully, if you are part of my channel, you feel the same. So give me 1 sec. Let me get those pictures up on screen for us, and I'll be right back. Now, we already have videos up on the channel in reference to the spoilers for both the extra and the GlamBag, not only official ones, but ones that I have able to find, and a couple of variations as well. But I had on my wants list this product. This is supposed to be based on my research, but if you guys know differently, please share it in the comments down below. This is a product that I think is going to be similar to the one that a lot of us have had the opportunity through the boxes to choose or get from Ole Henriksen. And this is one that I think this is supposed to be a dupe for. Now, E.L.F. is a brand that I enjoy their dupes because I feel they take it not so much to be compared alongside the other brands, which a lot of companies do. However, what I feel E.L.F. does is they change it just enough that I sometimes feel their products even supersedes the ones that are the originals. But if you've had the opportunity to use the originals and use what people in the beauty industry call dupes, please take the time to share it down below, because this is if it becomes in the group of products that I can choose from based on what I have interest of. This is one that I hope I'll be able to choose on Choice Day, which is going to open up on the 26th. And for me, I'm in Florida. This opens up at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. They've also extended the actual mega drop shop pretty much to I think the 28th of this month. So every day they're doing a lot of little changes here and there. So like I've mentioned, during this mega drop shop month, it's always a good idea to go into the shop every single day to see what they're dropping, because a lot of these prices are going up and down on a daily basis during the mega drop shop. So what we have here in reference to this product, this is going to be the full size. This retails at $8. And if you're not familiar with the GlamBag, it's $15. They promise you 5 deluxe travel sizes. I call them travel sizes. They call them deluxe sample sizes, because to me, you're really getting a really good sample size to be able to enjoy and figure out if it's something that you want. In reference to this is the full size item. In the retail world, like I mentioned, this is $8, and it is one of the items that you can choose in a $15 bag, which is amazing, where you get 5 products, deluxe sample sizes. You get to choose one, and a lot of times choices are full sizes. And then you also get a fantastic bonus bag that changes every month, and I think they're spectacular. And we've already done the review of the inspiration behind the bag for this month, and that is in the official spoilers. So what we have here, this is called the E.L.F. Thirst Burst Plump Tide lip treatment. Now this is why I like to do a little bit more research, because when I hear plump, I get a little bit nervous, because for me personally, I don't like that tingling sensation on my lips, but I do love if there are ingredients out there that can either have a cooling effect or something that can give me a smoother lip and give it a little bit of plumpness without that pain or burn. That is what I look for. And that is what Ole Henriksen's does for me. And I think this one will as well. And I'll explain to you why after I researched one of the ingredients. Now they're saying this one here is going to give us, because this also is formulated with a 1% peptide complex. And this is a lip treatment. They're saying that will visibly plump, hydrate, and give us that glossy finish. It is designed to hydrate as well and give those lips that glossiness that we all like with our glosses. And they're saying it is part of E.L.F.'s skin line and comes in multiple shades. There is a clear that is pomelo. There is also a guava, and there's also a hibiscus. All of them, when I looked at, had a hint of a shade, except for one that was the one that is clear, which is in pomelo. Now this has that 1% peptide complex, and that will also help to visibly plump, but also with moisture. They also say there's a butter blend in here that is a long-lasting cocoa, castor, sunflower oil, depending on the shade. And then they're saying there's a 12-hour moisture, glossy, cushiony finish. They're saying it's also vegan and cruelty-free. And this is also available, as we know, E.L.F. is available in a lot of retail locations. And then they mentioned here the key ingredients. Now, this is where I did a little bit more research, because the first ingredient that they mentioned is this one here that I'm going to do my best to pronounce. It's called palmitoyl tripeptide 1. And that's supposed to support the plumping and the smoothness. They also have butter blends in here that do the hydration and the barrier support. And then also they're saying there's citrus or fruity scents depending on the shade. So when I looked up this ingredient that I did not know about, because like I said, once I see plump in the title, it makes me a little bit hesitant. And I love having the opportunity to try more and more E.L.F. products, especially when we can get them at really, really reduced prices like here. So when I looked it up, they're saying this actual ingredient does not cause any tingling, stinging, or any spicy plumping sensation. They're saying it is a signal peptide, not a sensory irritant. So that I think is really important because it is a collagen supporting peptide that works by sending a repair and rebuild signal to the skin, not an irritating one. So it will support smoothness, it helps to improve the lip fullness over time, and it strengthens the lip barrier, giving a hydrating plush look. So there is no tingling, no burning, no cooling, and no spicy effect. So that is one that I'm very happy. So that is definitely going to be staying on my wants list. But of course, depending on what all the selections are, because we only get one choice, but that is one that if it doesn't end up in my bag by choice or by them selecting it for my bag, is definitely one that I will try. And I'm assuming this will be in the add-ons in that $3.50 section. So the next item that we have is going to be from Bliss. And this is also going to be a full-size pick. There are going to be 30 patches, which is, when I looked it up, the full-size version of this that runs around, I'd say around $15, but if you know differently, that is the price that I was able to find through third-party sellers. So you'll have to share with me if you know differently. Now this 30 patch blemish treatment, they're saying is shaped like flowers. And as we know, when we did the spoiler for the actual little glam baggie that comes with it's a bonus bag. That is the theme of the design. So when we did the first spoilers, when we saw this product, we didn't know it was going to be choice, but we knew it was going to be in the glam bag. I thought that was absolutely amazing. So this one here is designed to be both cute as well as functional. These patches are meant to help reduce the appearance of blemishes while protecting the area from picking and also any of the environmental irritants. They're saying it will absorb the impurities from active blemishes, which I still get periodically, and then protects the spot from that bacteria, as well as the best part is touching. I also feel more comfortable putting makeup over when there is a patch covering that. It also helps to reduce redness and inflammation, and the best part is that it does speed up the healing time. They're also saying it will adhere securely for overnight or daytime wear, which is a lot of times where I wear this. Unless I feel I need to wear makeup, I will put it over the pimple and then put my makeup over. The key thing for me is the main ingredient, which is this hydrocolloid, and that will draw out the fluid and speeds up the healing. So they're saying that it also has tea tree oil, which is, we know, an antibacterial and helps to reduce inflammation. It also has salicylic acid that exfoliates inside the pore, and witch hazel, which is a calming and pore tightening ingredient. Now, that is something that I'm very familiar with: salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and witch hazel. So those are all the ingredients that, if you are part of the acne blemish world, are products that you would have used in the past. But when you put it with the hydrocolloid patch over it, it really speeds up the whole process as well. So this is really exciting. The next item that we have is from a brand that so many of us enjoy, and it's a hair care brand called Amika, excuse me. And this is going to be one of those deluxe sample sizes. From what I understand, this will be a 30 ml, and that usually runs around that $7 to $8 value, because the full size of this would just be over 3 ounces, and that runs around $20. Now, this is a rich vitamin-packed deep conditioning mask. It's formulated to hydrate, soften, and restore the hair. It's one of Amika's most loved products because it delivers intense moisture without weighing the hair down. It deeply nourishes dry, damaged, or porous hair. It leaves your hair soft, silk, and more manageable. It can be used weekly as a mask, or you could use it daily, they're saying, also as a conditioner. They're saying it also has clinicals that were shown to leave the hair 11.4 times more moisturized and 91% more manageable after just the first use. The key ingredients in here is that sea buckthorn. That is an omega-rich superfood that restores the lipids and boosts the shine. It has jojoba seed oil that moisturizes and softens the hair. It also has panthenol, which we know is a conditioning and strengthening the support. So this is one, like I mentioned, is the mini size, but the mini size I think is also available in the retail world. So this is another one that if you haven't had the opportunity to try an Amika product, this is where you want to try it. You want to try it on the travel sizes so you can see if it is something, if you like the scent, if it does what it says it's going to do, so that when this becomes a choice, if you're also like me and you have the extra subscription, which is 5 full sizes, you now know that you've tried it. Or if you're someone that likes to travel, this is a nice way to take a product like this with you along on your trip as well. So those are what they're releasing for the choice, but as we know, on choice day there will be a lot more options, and I will always do my best to film, and I always film first before I even make my choices for myself, because once you make your choice with IPSY, you cannot go back in. So I have to film first, and then after filming I then go ahead and make my choices. So hopefully you'll be back to visit here on the 26th, which is when choice day is going to be for the GlamBag. And remember, for the extra, that will all happen on the 1st, when we get to see inside our bag of what they've chosen for us. After we've made our choice on the 26th, on the 1st, we get the full reveal of our bag, and then we get to put our add-ons in our bags as well. I have 2 paid for accounts, so we're going to be reviewing both of those, as well as this time around, because we all got our Altas this month, and our Ultimates, because I just finished talking to somebody about Ulta. This is going to be the ultimate month. So hopefully you have already received your bags and boxes already. If you haven't, then you'll be able to look in on my channel, because all of mine arrived and I had the opportunity to unbox everything here. And right now, like I said, we're in countdown mode to the 1st. I also will be doing spoilers, which usually we get the reveals during this last week. It's a little busy here over to film, but we do Allure because I'm a paying customer for that. So hopefully we'll get the reveal of what they have in store for us for September, as well as what our choice and all of that will be for the following month, because they always do that a month ahead. So that is very exciting as well. But like I said, spoilers for the FabFitFun monthly beauty box have not been released either yet, so I'll be keeping my eyes open for that. So if you're like me and you love the boxes from FabFitFun, as well as the annual and monthly subscription, as well as all of Allure, as well as everything IPSY, you know that this will be your destination. And if you're interested in signing up for any of these, I do have links down below, so you can definitely help the channel out by using the links as well. And that is it for this one, guys. So starting a new week off fresh with at least a couple of choices that we will have the option for. Just based on these 3 choices, what would you end up choosing for your bag? I would love to know. And if you're window shopping, I also would love to know, and just tell us that you're window shopping and what your choice would be based on this selection. I would love to know. And that's it for this one, guys. So remember, Mega Drop Shop has been extended, so make sure to continue to go in every day to see if something triggers your attention, because when those deals happen during Mega Drop Shop, like I said, prices change on a daily basis. So keep your eyes open if you're looking at gift giving, because we're getting into that last quarter where when September's around the corner. I love saying, I saw somebody write this a long time ago when they say we're getting into the burbs, meaning September, October, November, December. So we're getting into the burr season, and that means that this is where you start thinking gift giving, because this is when a lot of the holidays start approaching, and they approach a lot quicker, because I cannot believe we're already talking fall. But being a FabFitFun annual member, they start talking fall in the mid-September, in the mid-summer time, and that's when I feel I start thinking fall in my head as well. So that's it for this one, guys. So as always, I love when you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it here. We have some good things heading our way here through the channel, which I cannot wait to share with you guys. But for now, remember, we do have a giveaway going on. If you haven't watched that, just go to my search tab, hit the giveaway tab, and hopefully we'll be able to pull a winner at the beginning of September. So keeping my fingers crossed that everything goes as planned, and that we will be able to have more time to share together here over on YouTube, long form content. And that is it for this one, guys. So if you've watched this all the way to the end, simply write confirmed, because now we know that it is confirmed that the date for choice is going to be the 26th. And like I said, for me, it opens up at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which I will have my computer set up to film so that we can share about it all. Because again, we will hopefully be able to go into the shop right afterwards to see what they have in store for us on that day as well. And that's it for this one. So take care, everybody. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Bye-bye for now.